Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So let's move on in today's video's topic. So today's video topic is how to uninstall desktop in PC. So it's pretty simple to uninstall desktop in PC. So follow these steps if you want to uninstall Discord on your PC as well. So it's pretty simple. After opening your PC, click on the Windows button and search for control panel over here. And then click on control panel. After coming to control panel, you can click on uninstall the program over here. Click on it, and after coming over here you can go to the search bar and search for Discord. After searching for Discord, this thing should be over here. You can double click on it and then it'll start to uninstall. Wait for some time, and boom, as you guys can see, Discord has disappeared from here, which means I have uninstalled Discord. So if I try to open Discord from here, wait for some time, it won't open. As you guys can see, I'm double clicking on it and it's showing me this. So now I can uninstall using compatibility settings. You guys can see Discord is not opening over here because the file of Discord is deleted. It's just the icon. I can just simply, uninstall it from over here as well. Just click delete and boom, Discord is deleted. I can just go in recycle bin, right click, empty recycle bin, and boom, that's how you uninstall Discord on PC. So if you guys found this video helpful, then you can like and subscribe with notification turned on to our channel, and share this video with your friend so you guys can help them out as well. And comment down below if you guys have any queries or question related to this video. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.